You open Microsoft Teams or OneDrive, try to sign in, and you get this message. The message says, you need internet for this. It doesn't look like you're connected to the internet. But here's the thing. You are connected to the internet. Everything else is working fine. So what in the heck is going on? This is a real bug affecting a lot of Windows 11 users right now after a recent update. And in this video, I'm going to explain exactly what's causing it and walk you through the fix. So let's go. So first, let me explain what's actually happening here, because understanding the problem makes the fix make a lot more sense. After the Windows update released on March 10th, 2026, that's the update KB 5079473, something broke in how Windows 11 handles Microsoft account sign-ins for certain apps. The apps most commonly affected are Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, and some other Microsoft apps that use personal Microsoft accounts to log in. Now here's the important thing. If your company or school uses Entra ID, which used to be called the Azure Active Directory, you're probably not affected. This is mainly hitting personal Microsoft account users, everyday people using Teams or OneDrive at home. The error message is completely misleading. It says no internet connection, but that's not the real problem. What's actually broken is a specific network connectivity state that Windows gets stuck in after the update. It can't properly reach Microsoft sign-in servers, even though the rest of your internet works perfectly fine. The good news is Microsoft has released the fix, and it's a pretty straightforward one. Now there's a couple things you can do, but the most important thing you can do is make sure you have the update that patches this bug. It's called KB 5085516. And it was released on March 21st, 2026. Here's how to get it. So you click Start, type Windows Update, and open it. Click Check for Updates, and let Windows search. If KB 5085516 or anything newer shows up, click Download and Install. Wait for it to finish, then restart your PC when prompted. Once your PC restarts, try signing into Teams or OneDrive again. For most people, that's all it takes. The second thing you can do, for example, if the update isn't showing up yet, sometimes updates take a few days to roll out to everyone. So if KB 5085516 isn't appearing yet, here's a workaround that works in the meantime. It sounds almost too simple, but here's what Microsoft officially recommends. Restart your PC while it's connected to the internet. That's it. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is connected before you restart. Don't disconnect anything. This forces Windows back into the correct network connectivity state. Once your PC boots back up, try signing in again. This resolves it for most people while they wait for the full update. So that's a temporary fix. So if it comes back after another restart, keep your internet connected during every reboot until the update arrives. Now here's the third thing that you can do. You can manually download the fix. So for example, if Windows Update isn't finding it automatically and you want to go get it now, you can grab it manually from the Microsoft Update catalog. Open your browser and go to catalog.update.microsoft.com. Search for KB 5085516. Download the version that matches your system. Most home users will want the x64 and run the installer. Restart when it's done and you should be good to go. So you've installed the update, you've restarted, and still not signing in. Let's go through a few more things you can try. Check number one, is your Microsoft account okay? Go to account.microsoft.com in your browser and try logging in there. If you can log in on the website, your account itself is fine and it's a local Windows issue. If you can't log in on the website either, then your account might have a different problem like a password or needs resetting. So check number two, sign out and sign back in. For OneDrive specifically, try this. Click on the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar at the bottom right. You might need to click the little arrow to see hidden icons. Click the gear icon, then settings, then go to account tab and click unlink this PC. Wait about 30 seconds and then click the drive icon again and sign back in fresh. This resets the connection and often clears the stuck state. Check number 3, if Teams is the problem, try clearing its cache. Close Teams completely. Right-click the Teams icon in the taskbar and click Quit. Then press Windows key plus R. Type in %appdata% /Microsoft Teams /Teams. I have it on screen. You guys can pause, copy this, and put this in. Then you hit enter. This opens a folder. Delete everything inside of that folder. Don't worry, this is just cache data, not your messages or files. Those live on the cloud, so don't worry about it. Then reopen Teams and try signing in again. So that should solve your problem. But anyway, while we're here, let's look at a couple of quick tips to avoid headaches like this in the future. Tip 1, turn on the option to get updates as soon as they are available. Go to Windows Update, click Advanced Options, and toggle on Get the latest updates as soon as they are available. This means bug fixes reach you faster. Tip 2, before any major Windows update, do a quick restart while connected to the internet. This is really good at preventing these network issues from happening in the first place. Small habits, big difference. And that should have you sign back in and everything working again. Microsoft account errors are incredibly frustrating because they feel so random. But hopefully now you understand what was going on and how to sort it out. If this video has helped you, a like goes a long way. It helps YouTube show this to other people dealing with the same problems right now. Got a different area or something still isn't working? Drop it in the comments and I'll try to help. Subscribe to John Joseph Tech for more straightforward tech help. See you in the next one.